Since 2006, more than 1 million Santa Fe has rolled off HMMA's assembly line. Today, the legacy of the Santa Fe continues with HMMA investing another $190 million to prepare our assembly plant for the next generation of this popular SUV. Last week, Hyundai Motor Company revealed this radically transformed all-new Santa Fe on social media. The fifth generation midsize SUV carries forward its signature nature with city appeal while implementing major updates to match the latest outdoor lifestyle trends. Our team members are preparing to begin assembling the all-new Santa Fe later this year.